Guys, we have been discussing the female hair losses in young ladies. We divide actually female hair losses in different ages, and we call them different stages of hair fall in ladies. And like in teenagers, hair fall in early 20s, hair fall in early married life, hair fall in late 30s, and hair fall in menopausal age. So today we are discussing the first stage of hair fall in ladies of teen ages. I would advise young ladies that whenever you see hair fall in early ages, you should be presenting yourself or consulting the true expert in hair fall treatments, because this hair fall in teenagers is treatable with the medicines. You can go for home remedies, but after having a medical treatment from hair fall doctors, then you can go for any treatment at home. But keep in mind, this hair fall is nearly 95% treatable. So I would advise you, whenever you see a hair fall, you should not be wasting much time to go to the doctor. You should be going to the doctor in first attempt so that you should be having a good treatment at proper time. And treatment at proper time and proper treatment at proper time means lots, in especially in female hair losses. You see, she is only 19-year-old girl, and she came to me a few days before, and I took a picture from top of the scalp. You see a lots of hair loss in this frontal area, and I said to her only one thing: if you would have come to me a year before, I could have brought all the hair back within few months. And this is my advice to you: is whenever you see hair fall, you should be coming to the doctor for hair fall solutions. And hair fall reasons in teenagers mainly are because of iron deficiency, vitamin deficiency, nutrients deficiency, polycystic ovary syndrome, thyroid diseases. Many reasons are behind this hair fall in teenagers, and stresses even, and sleeplessness even. Stresses means young ladies at teenagers, they gonna go in stresses of the studies and many other stresses, and they don't have proper physical activity. In those days, they suffer from the sleeplessness because of their studies, stress from the studies. So this is very important to get this hair fall treated, because this is treatable. And if you are suffering from thyroid diseases, we will have a consultation with the endocrinologist, and he will be or she will be telling us about the thyroid diseases. Or if you are having a polycystic ovary syndrome, we can have opinion from your gynae doctor, and we can have a ferritin checkup, and we can send you to the hematologist, and we can have consultation from different doctors on different diseases, and those diseases or those conditions, sorry, are treatable and can be treated within few days. And we can treat this hair fall in young ladies in few months. Like you can have those hair back within only 8-9 months treatment of hair fall. So this is very important to present to your doctor in early days of hair fall. If you're gonna keep on wasting time, you will convert this temporary loss into the permanent loss, and definitely you will be ending up with the surgery. So I advise you can avoid surgery easily in female hair losses, and especially in this teenagers, I would advise you should never be thinking of going to surgery if you present to your doctor in early days of hair fall. You should be consulting your doctor, but doctor should be the expert one who knows how to treat this hair fall, because most of the doctors, they are not aware of this thing, that this hair fall in young ladies is treatable, and it is almost more than 95% treatable, and you can get back those hair within few months. But needed is you should go to true expert within proper time, and proper treatment in proper time means lots in teenagers. Thank you very much, and we will be discussing the hair fall in early married life, and that is very important topic, and I will guide you on that thing, and you can save your hair within few months, and you can get your hair back within few months by a medical treatment by a true expert. And what I wanted to say only one thing, that is very much needed, because the role of hair in young ladies' beauty is very important. This is very much needed in females as compared to the male gender. So take care of your hair, present to the doctor, go to the doctor, consult a proper expert.